In the world of hypercars, downforce is everything. The more you have, the faster you can corner. But the more drag you create, the slower you go on the straights. It has always been a compromise. Until now. The McLaren W1 has rewritten the rules. It is the most advanced aerodynamic road car McLaren has ever built. A car that transforms itself from a road-legal cruiser into a ground-effect F1 car at the touch of a button. McLaren's engineering team behind the W1 have between them contributed to 16 Formula One World Championship titles. That experience is not just a badge of honor. It is written into the car's DNA. The W1's aerocell monocoque is shaped to facilitate full ground effect aerodynamics, with the floor raised by 65 millimeters, to allow high-energy airflow to pass underneath the car. The front suspension is mounted directly into the monocoque, optimizing aerodynamic efficiency and eliminating the need for a heavy front subframe. The W1 does not just look aggressive, it becomes aggressive. When race mode is selected, the car undergoes a radical transformation. The ride height drops by 37 millimeters at the front and 17 millimeters at the rear. A heave system stiffens the suspension. The active front wing deploys. And the revolutionary McLaren active long-tail rear wing extends rearwards by up to 300 millimeters. The result? Up to 1,000 kilograms of downforce, 350 kilograms at the front, and 650 kilograms at the rear. The McLaren active long-tail wing is the most dramatic visual element of the W1. Extending rearwards by 300 millimeters, it is an essential part of the drag management strategy. The wing is just one of multiple patents filed for aerodynamic innovations on the W1. Even the doors serve the aero. The W1 features McLaren's first ever anhedral doors, hinged from the roof rather than the side. This design allows optimization of airflow from the front wheel arches into the high-temperature radiators, providing an extra 100 millimeters of cooling space. This allowed engineers to reduce the size of the radiators, saving weight and improving packaging. The door shape is deliberately reminiscent of the body side of the McLaren MCL38 Formula One car. The W1 is the fastest accelerating and fastest lapping road-legal McLaren ever. It is quicker than a speedtail to 300 kilometers per hour in a straight line, and 3 seconds a lap faster than the track-focused Senna at McLaren's reference track. Acceleration figures are staggering. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 5.8 seconds. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in less than 12.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 350 kilometers per hour. Formula One derived aerodynamics, pure rear-wheel drive, and McLaren hydraulic performance steering showcase McLaren's approach to purposeful innovation as a racing company that always delivers the best possible performance, said CEO Michael Leiters. At a time when competitors are turning to front-wheel drive assistance, McLaren has retained the purity of rear-wheel drive, a choice made possible by decades of Formula One expenditure. The McLaren W1 is not just a hypercar, it is a Formula One car for the road, a machine that changes shape, adapts to its environment, and produces more downforce than a race car from a decade ago. The active aero wars have begun, and McLaren has just fired the opening shot.